Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm so excited that you are here. Seriously, I am. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. You guys, the Lash Fam is getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's do today's question of the day. If you didn't need to sleep, what would you do with all that extra time? First of all, can I say, wouldn't it be sad if we didn't need to sleep? I personally enjoy sleeping, but if I didn't have to, I think I would spend most of my time, honestly, probably reading. That is something I have been so bad about over the last year, you guys. It's terrible. Now let's dive on into today's video. My Boxycharm arrived. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that comes in at $21 a month, and you usually get 5 to 6 full-size items. I've had this for several years now, and honestly, I believe it is the best beauty subscription on the market. I also do a monthly giveaway for items for my Boxycharm. It really just depends. I have a pretty stacked makeup collection in my opinion, so a lot of times there's stuff I get in my Boxycharm that I just don't need and I don't want to keep for it just to sit there, so instead I give it to one of my Lash Fam. If you want to know how to enter, I will leave it down in the description box. There are a few rules. First of all, of course, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. Second of all, you must be 18 years of age and have a USA mailing address. I wish I could afford international shipping. I just cannot do that at this time. Third of all, please comment down below with I love my Lash family, because it helps me know who's actually entering. And again, I will have all of those things in the description box down below, so you can make sure you're following the rules to get entered into the giveaway, because there's definitely some items in this month's box that I'm giving away, because I did take a sneaky peeky of what was in here. It's Boxy and Chill. They're back to this little info card. I feel like for a while, weren't they doing like pamphlets for Boxycharm? I know in Boxy Luxe, which is an offshoot of Boxycharm, I'm pretty sure they do pamphlets. I kind of like the pamphlet, but I get why they would do a card. It fits really well in the box. So I'm going to dive into the 3 items that I'm keeping for myself, and then we will talk about the items I'm giving away. The first one is the Brioche Don't Despair, Repair, Strengthen, Nourish, Leave-In Mask. I love Brioche. I don't know if I think I bought their products one time, but every time I've gotten one in Boxycharm, and the one I did buy, I love their products. They have really good ingredients. The price tag isn't terrible. A lot of people talk about them on YouTube, and I actually feel like it is a brand that deserves the praise because they do make really good products. This is a super moisturizing, strengthening leave-in conditioner, and it comes in at $16. I will definitely use this. I'm really big into spraying some type of leave-in product right when I get out of the shower, because it just helps it dry nicer, it strengthens it, and also I feel like when I do decide to then style my hair, whether I do it that day, the next day, I know it's already in there, so I will definitely be sticking this under my bathroom sink so that I can spray that in my hair. I really have been wanting to try to keep my hair as healthy as possible since I got it cut not too long ago, and I've also been trying to be better about styling it, which does mean heat, but I'm trying to use low heats, so I need something to help strengthen my hair. The next thing is something I was like so shocked to see we were getting in Boxycharm. I hope they feature this brand many more times. We got 2 of the Tasha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. That's tongue twister. Masks. But I am so excited to see this brand in here. Oh my gosh. I love Tasha. Whenever I've used their products, I love them. They're so luxurious and high-end. To get Tasha in here, I am truly blown away. These come in at $24. It is a 2-pack deal for 24 bucks. So that's pretty high-end for face masks. I feel like maybe I'm a bargain shopper when it comes to face masks. You know, I usually hit up this for a $6 mask. It says, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. It's supposed to give you a dewy, luminous glow. I hope this smells like their dewy face mist. I love that. I did run out, but I truly love that product, so I'm very excited to try these. Like, I'm pumped. Like, that made the box worth it for me right there. The last item I'm going to keep is this. Who makes it? Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil, and I'm only keeping it because it's brown. I don't have a brown eyeliner. I can't believe that, but I don't have a brown eyeliner, and there are times where I'm like, I want to smoke my lash line out a little bit, but I don't want to go black. Like today would have been a great day. I should have paid attention to what color this was. This would have been a great day to use brown eyeliner. This here comes in at $19. Now let's dive into the items that I'm going to give away to a lucky member of the Lash family. I feel like this is a pretty amazing duo right here. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. This first palette is by Tarte. It is their Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. We have gotten another palette like this. I'm not going to open this one up, obviously, because I'm giving it away. It says it's a vegan, crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. $36. I will pull out the one that I got in the box a while back because Tarte does have a really unique formula. This is the volume 2, and their formula, it is a powder, but honestly they are so buttery. They almost feel like a cream, and they are very pigmented. They really buff out beautifully on the eye. The formula is really, really nice. I really enjoy this formula, so I'm definitely excited for one of you to receive that palette. And then to go along with it, which I feel like will definitely make for a beautiful look with this eyeshadow palette. It is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick that delivers long-lasting color. It's supposed to perfectly outline and fill the lips. It is $20, and this is in the shade Havana Nights, which was a part of Kathleen Light's collab with Ofra. I've heard wonderful things about their liquid lipstick. If I kept this, I would use it like twice in the year. What a waste. So I'd rather give it to someone who's going to use it. So together, someone will be receiving an awesome little duo here for a glam night out, in my opinion. So definitely make sure you are reading in the description box down below on what rules you need to follow to enter the giveaway, and I seriously cannot wait. After I film this, I will be pulling the winner from my last month's Boxycharm. That's how I do it. I run it until I get my next box and I'm able to film it. So yeah, I will definitely be messaging someone later tonight to tell them they won. Oh, I seriously, I love doing giveaways on my channel. I love giving back, and I hate wasting products. I feel like this is the perfect way to make sure someone is getting to enjoy these products that I just don't have space for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to be a part of the Lash family. Really, I would. Oh my goodness, we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. You guys, let me know. I'm kind of considering not plugging Snapchat anymore because truly I hardly ever get on there anymore. Whenever the last big switch with Snapchat was, I just don't get on there very often. I will say I do prefer their filters far more over Instagram, but I just never am drawn to get on Snapchat. But I get on Instagram pretty darn regularly. Do you think I should keep plugging Snapchat, or would you rather me just plug the one I'm truly on the most? Let me know your feedback down below. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, I have to do my shout out. Each video I shout out a member of the Lash fam who commented on my last video. I just think this is the best way to help me recognize you guys and connect with you, but also to help you recognize each other in the comment section, because I really want this to be a community. So today's shout out is Courtney Early. She commented on my last video, which was my Tarte vs. Tasha, and she said both sides look nice. I think Tarte side looks a little bit better though. Nice review and comparison. Thank you, Courtney. I really appreciate your feedback, and I have to tell you, it is interesting. When I got to editing my video, I actually thought on camera the Tarte side really did look better than the Tasha side, but in person the Tasha side looked better than the Tarte side. That really was surprising to me that as I was editing, I totally agree with you. Like on camera, the Tarte side did really look better. So thank you for leaving a comment down below. Thank you for being a member of the Lash family. I am so, so, so glad you are here. And yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Please remember to always try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.